Hi guys, today from my kitchen I'm going to show you how we can prepare the meat spices seasoning at home. You can use it for steak, for meat barbecue, for meat stew, for any kind of meat that you want, and you can just store them in a container, plastic one or jar one, it's up to you, and you can leave them outside in a cool place. So let's get started. We need 10 kind of spices. I'm going to list down the ingredients with the measurements. So I'm going to show you the spices that we need. We need 1 tablespoon of grounded coriander. We need another tablespoon of cumin powder. We need 1 teaspoon of grounded cardamons. We need 1 teaspoon of grounded cinnamon. And we need 1 teaspoon of paprika. And also we need half tablespoon of ginger powder. And we need 1/4 teaspoon of grounded cloves. We need 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and we need half teaspoon of garlic powder, and finally we need 1/4 teaspoon of chili. You can skip this the chili spices, or you can just leave it. It will give a delicious taste with it. But if you don't like to add chili powder, it's okay, you can just skip this ingredient or the spices. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix all these spices. I'm going to put them in a plastic container, okay, and give them little mix. Wow, that smells so cool. You can just add salt if you like, but I prefer to keep the salt outside. So if you like to add salt with them, just to make them ready when you use them, so you have to add 1 tablespoon, but I prefer to keep them without the salt and use how much that I want. Okay, here we go. The spices, guys, I'm going to keep them in a cool place. And by the way, I have a shawarma spices, and I have the Lebanese 7 spices recipe, and I have the fajita spices, so you can check all these recipe. And I'm going to make soon chicken spices as well, seasoning. So guys, I hope you enjoy watching this recipe or this spices seasoning, and see you soon. So thanks for watching. Please leave me like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you soon. Bye.